I'm presenting you with this beautiful manual Ferrari 550. The new owner of this classic Ferrari wanted to refresh many aspects of this car. We have overhauled the bodywork, the engine bay, the wheels and the interior. Here are some of the before shots when we received the car. Let me show you around what we have done with the car. We started off with the decontamination process. Some of the important products used in the process are fallout remover, tar and glue remover, mineral stain remover, clay bar, citrus cleaners, steam cleaning and more. We have then carried out full paint correction. The next task was the PPF paint protection film. This Ferrari has been protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus. Our PPF team is fully trained to deliver the highest standard installation. To finish off the exterior, this Ferrari has been ceramic coated throughout with the Gtechniq Smart Surface Science. When it comes to wheel restoration, we have a full factory refurbishment set up in-house. We have stripped and refurbished the alloy wheels with powder coating to an original finish. Fitted with brand new Michelin tires, all tested and balanced on Hunter equipment. Today's advanced technology allows us to carry out cosmetic corrections on most interior surfaces. This is especially important where replacement parts can be very expensive or even impossible to source. We have carried out full interior detailing, leather conditioning, leather recoloring, restoration, cleaning followed with a protective coating application. You know what they say, the engine is where the heart is. We used carefully selected products and techniques to improve the appearance of this area. We start with steam cleaning and then detail the engine bay throughout. This also includes paint correction and any cosmetic repairs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.